The AirPods Pro 3 take the features of last year's AirPods 4 and refine them in ways that could change your everyday listening. The real question is whether these changes make the Pro 3 a must-have, or if they are just small tweaks. Stick around, and by the end, you will know which model really fits your needs. The AirPods 4 use a semi-open hard plastic tip design, resting lightly outside the ear canal without silicone tips. Each earbud weighs about 4.3 grams, making them light enough for long periods of use. They work well for casual listening, podcasts, or phone calls. The design also allows you to stay aware of your surroundings, which can be useful when walking in busy areas, commuting, or even running errands. The trade-off is that the earbuds can shift during activity depending on the shape of your ear. For some users, this might require occasional adjustment during workouts, cycling, or brisk walking. The AirPods Pro 3 take a more secure approach with an in-ear design, featuring 5 silicone tip sizes, XXS, XS, S, M, and L, for a comfortable, ergonomic profile. This design improves stability without causing pressure. The Pro 3 earbuds are slightly smaller than the previous Pro 2 model, which helps them sit more comfortably in the ear and makes extended use less fatiguing. For users who prefer a lighter, barely there feeling, the AirPods 4 still offer a noticeable advantage. In addition, the improved fit of the Pro 3 ensures a more consistent listening experience, especially during physical activity, travel, or long listening sessions. Both earbuds are designed for everyday wear and exercise, but the Pro 3 improves on protection. The AirPods 4 have an IP54 rating, offering dust resistance and protection from splashes. This makes them suitable for commuting, gym use, or light rain. The Pro 3 steps up to an IP57 rating, making them dust-tight and capable of brief immersion in water. This increased durability makes the Pro 3 more reliable for outdoor workouts, rainy commutes, travel, or situations where accidental exposure to water or dust could occur. Both models rely on Apple's STEM-based force sensor controls. A pinch allows you to play, pause, skip tracks, answer calls, or activate Siri by voice. The Pro 3 adds swipe gestures on the stem for volume control, letting you adjust sound without touching your phone. The standard AirPods 4, by contrast, require you to use Siri or your connected device to change the volume. This convenience difference is noticeable in real-world use, especially during commutes, workouts, or when multitasking at home or the office. Apple's controls on both earbuds feel consistent and intuitive, reducing the learning curve for users upgrading from older models or switching between devices. Additionally, the tactile response on both models makes it easy to control playback without looking at your earbuds, which is useful when exercising, walking, or working in busy environments. The AirPods 4 have an ANC version that reduces background noise, but their open-ear design doesn't fully isolate you, keeping you aware of your surroundings. This makes them useful for walking outdoors, commuting, or working in the office, letting you enjoy audio without losing touch with your environment. However, the Pro 3 takes noise cancellation further, with redesigned tips that create an acoustic seal, improved microphones, and Apple's H2 chip processing. They block about twice as much external sound as the Pro 2, making them well-suited for flights, busy cafes, open office spaces, or other noisy environments. Audio quality also differs. The AirPods 4 deliver clean, balanced sound with clear vocals but less emphasis on deep bass due to their open-ear design. The Pro 3 features a multi-port acoustic system that provides fuller bass, a wider soundstage, and greater detail across frequencies. Both models include conversation awareness, which automatically lowers playback volume when you speak, keeping interactions natural without needing to remove the earbuds. The Pro 3's enhanced sound system also improves the experience of watching videos, playing mobile games, or using spatial audio content. Subtle improvements in clarity, separation, and depth make them feel more immersive for extended listening sessions. The AirPods Pro 3 introduces health tracking with built-in sensors that monitor heart rate, conduct hearing tests, and provide volume protection alerts. These tools integrate everyday listening with wellness, helping users monitor basic fitness and hearing health. The AirPods 4 do not include these sensors but remain compatible with Apple's ecosystem features. Both models support spatial audio with head tracking, live translation in iOS 26, and seamless switching between Apple devices. This ensures consistency across iPhones, iPads, Macs, and Apple Watches, making the experience straightforward for users invested in the ecosystem. The AirPods 4 ANC model provide about 4 hours of listening per charge, with a total of around 20 hours, including the wireless MagSafe-compatible charging case. The Pro 3 offers approximately 8 hours per charge and a total of 24 hours with the case, which has a slightly smaller battery than the Pro 2 case. Both support wireless and MagSafe charging, making recharging simple and convenient. The longer battery life of the Pro 3 is especially noticeable for users who travel frequently, take long flights, or prefer not to recharge every day. The AirPods 4 suit office work, casual listening, and light workouts. Their lightweight, semi-open design keeps you aware of your surroundings and reduces ear fatigue during extended use. They are ideal for people who prioritize comfort and don't need full noise isolation. The Pro 3 excel in immersive listening, noisy environments, and extended use thanks to their in-ear seal, improved sound isolation, stronger bass, and stability. Health features make them attractive to active users, and their higher water and dust resistance allows use in more demanding or variable conditions. They perform well in public transport, gyms, travel, and other everyday scenarios where sound clarity and isolation matter. The AirPods 4 with ANC retail at about $179, while the base model starts at above $129. The AirPods Pro 3 are priced at roughly $249. The higher cost reflects improvements in build quality, sound performance, battery life, noise cancellation, and health tracking. Users can choose based on priorities: simpler, comfortable listening with the AirPods 4 or a more feature-complete experience with the Pro 3. The AirPods 4 remain a lightweight, simple, and reliable option for everyday listening, offering balanced sound and basic noise reduction at a lower price. They suit casual use, commuting, and office environments. The AirPods Pro 3 provide stronger noise isolation, richer audio, longer battery life, and health tracking, making them more versatile for travel, workouts, and immersive listening. If comfort, simplicity, and cost are your main considerations, the AirPods 4 are sufficient. For those looking for the most capable Apple earbuds currently available, the Pro 3 deliver a more complete package that justifies the investment. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the Next Cube channel.